Changing your vehicle's oil and filter regularly is a simple way to increase your vehicle's performance, fuel economy, and engine life. When to do it varies across manufacturers, and it depends a lot on your driving style and conditions. Unfortunately, most of us drive in severe service conditions. This includes frequent short trips of less than 10 miles, stop-and-go city traffic, driving in dusty or extreme hot or cold conditions, or at sustained highway speeds. Whatever your driving conditions, frequent oil and filter changes are recommended. The reason? As an engine accumulates miles, engine oil breaks down and accelerated wear can occur, and all the engine problems that come with it. Remember, when you change the oil, it's highly recommended that you change the filter too. It's the engine's main line of defense against abrasion and premature wear. To keep your Toyota running like new, rely on our Toyota service professionals to change the oil and filter in your vehicle regularly. It's an easy way to increase your vehicle's performance and avoid unexpected, costly breakdowns. Robbins Toyota. Schedule your service appointment online or give us a call today. We're located at Kings Highway and I-30 at exit 218, serving Nash and the Texarkana Metro.